Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, Earth sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Two cards. Two of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Chariot. Messages for Taurus. Under the deck, Ten of Swords and Knight of Wands. So this person is very passionate about you, Taurus. They are very attracted to you. Knights. So knights always come and go. There is no consistent energy. So they are not committed to anyone. So there is no commitment. But they are very passionate about you. And Ten of Swords, you are in this energy, very sad. So you want to move on, but you still want this person in your life. This is some confusion you are in right now. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Two of Wands, the Bold and the Chariot. Some cycles are going to be already ended in past. Two of Wands, yes, you are thinking about something a lot or someone a lot. You have to make some decision. Maybe you have options you have to choose from those. Definitely you are thinking about something or someone in recent past a lot. And some cycles are already ended. Some new cycles are going to be begin. And the Chariot. Yes, something you decided and something you started moving in that direction also in recent past. Even though it is very slow moving. But you still, I think you choose one thing from those options, from those situations. You decided to do something and you also started working on that decision also. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Cancer. So present, Knight of Pentacles, Hangman and Queen of Swords. I think someone is coming back to you. Maybe for some it could be a new person also. Knight of Pentacles, but they are in very slow moving energy. But I think King of Swords here, I think it's your current person, maybe past person that is you are dealing with. Right now they are talking with you through logical mind. They are very logical. And you confused. You feeling stuck. The Hanged Man. Yes, you feeling stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are in some confusion. You feeling stuck due to their behavior. So future energy, Seven of Swords, Queen of Cups and the Emperor. I think your person have some ego problem. And Seven of Swords and Queen of Cups. Yes, for some there are some trust issues also between both of you. And Queen of Cups. But you have strong emotions for them. You still want to be with this person. But I think someone new is coming better than this person. Knight of Pentacles energy. So maybe that person is very serious about you. Because Knight of Pentacles is very serious and very stable. So someone is coming towards you. And that person very serious. But this person, maybe there are some trust issues between both of you, but you are very honest in this connection. And the signs are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Cancer. So let's see your person intentions and feelings towards you, then we will get more clarity. So Ten of Swords. I think your person, maybe your person is non-committed to you. So let's see their feelings, then we will get clarity. Okay. Yeah, I think your person want to give up on this connection. Maybe they are non-committal. Yes, right now they are not they are not taking any action. They're feeling stuck. Under the deck, 8 of Swords with 9 of Wands. Right now they are guarded up. They are talking to you with their logical, and they are being very logical in these recent times. And Strength with Temperance. Maybe they're scared to make a move towards you. It could be any reason. And Temperance. Right now they're taking their time. They're patiently waiting for something, for someone. They are practicing to restore the balance within themselves. Right now your person feeling stuck. They are unable to make any move towards you. So let's see their intentions. Taurus. 2 cards I am not taking. Okay, again 8 of Swords. Queen of Swords and King of Swords, and Justice under the deck. So I think your person right now may be busy with their career, making finances, because 10 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords with Queen of Swords. Even though your person want to offer stability to this connection, but they are unable to make any move. They are unable to provide any stability because they are feeling stuck. Maybe they are setting some boundaries. I think right now your person feeling they are guarded up. They are not available to you. They are not willing to talk to you right now. They are feeling stuck. Yes. That's why you are also feeling confused. Maybe for some it could be third party situation also involved, because 7 of Swords energy. They may be lying to you, cheated on you. Yes. For some they are playing games with you. Justice. Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Taurus. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo and Sagittarius. I think for some your person may be a player also, 7 of Swords with Magician. But right now your person manifesting happiness in their life, but they're feeling sad. They're not expressing their feelings under the deck, 5 of Cups. They're feeling sad, but maybe your person right now focusing on their self, focusing on their happiness, because the Sun with Magician, they want manifest happiness into their life. For some, children's also involved in this connection. And Judgment, you are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship. Yes, you are feeling heartbroken. Taurus, without this person, 3 of Swords with Judgment card. And 4 of Wands under the deck. For some, you both could be twin flames also. So definitely you are going to be make some decision regarding this relationship, and you are feeling heartbroken because they are not going to make any action. They are not available. I think after that you also becoming like guarded up. Yes, you are going to be set boundaries also. And the Star, maybe yes, you still have hopes on this connection, but right now you also want to set boundaries, because I think you both are on the same page. You both are having ego problem. What I'm getting here. Yes, they're feeling stuck and they are very logical with you, and then you feeling very, very hurt. Then you decided to guard it up also. Yes. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Taurus. So I'm not seeing any action. Right now they're feeling stuck. Even though they want to talk to you, but they're feeling stuck right now. And you are getting success for your hard work. Yes, this relationship is becoming overburden for you. And Page of Pentacles, maybe this person is immature, and death and rebirth. Yes, this relationship is in between death and rebirth. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Taurus. Queen of Cups, yeah, they have emotions for you, but they are not showing. They're missing you. And Ace of Cups with 3 of Swords. Yes, this person loves you, but they're feeling stuck for some. Yes, they are also heartbroken. I think you both are on the same page, guys. For some, your person really loves you, but they are unable to make any move. For some, family issues also. For some, religious factors, whatever. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Surrender to the divine. See, yes, exactly matched outcome. Definitely the situation has to be surrendered to the divine. Yes, so leave the situation and this problem to the divine. This is the guidance from the universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.